Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Fortron Academy. My name is Harshwats, and today we are going to talk about how do custom visual work and how do we create them in Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop is an analytical software that will help you in understanding your data set through various visualization in different data models. Now let us go forward and talk about the point to be discussed in this video. So in this video we will particularly talk about 3 points. In the first point we will cover what programming language do you need to construct visual you require for your data set. In the second point we will cover are custom visual or charts are made up of HTML language or not. And thirdly we will cover what web technologies could be used for creating custom visuals. Now let's go forward and talk about the custom charts and visuals. So basically, before talking about custom chart and visual, you must know that the chart and visual which we use in Power BI desktop is actually made up of HTML language. That means when you insert the visualization and put in your data set through which you generate the visualization, and the visualization you use either the bar graph, or you can use a chart or any particular like line chart, or everything is made up of HTML language, and all this construction leads to the visualization of our data set. That means the custom chart can also or should be made up of HTML documents or HTML language only. Now let's go forward and talk about the things that is required for constructing those shapes. So basically there are a lot of difficulties when you construct shapes using HTML language. Generally we can do by coding for particularly rectangle and every other thing, but the most helpful thing you can use for constructing shapes is none other than better than SVG. So when you construct something from the SVG, or you can use it as in the HTML language also, like in many web browsing you will see, which is actually the coding for the HTML, which you see there are certain graphics visual that is allotted to you. In case our you can see these bar, this is rectangle, so in that case you can easily use or insert the SVG graphic, that means scalable vector graphic, in our web browsing. So basically HTML language is coding for our shapes and our charts, but it is just a little bit different from the actual web browsing page because it contains less information and do little less than what we can do from the HTML, or you can say in a web browser. But in Power BI desktop all those visual are actually made up of all these components. Now let's go forward and talk about the use of technologies for constructing the custom charts and custom visuals. So I've already told you about the HTML. So there are more than one language that is required to do the custom chart and custom values. Certainly you cannot do it with every programming language because there are a lot of different programming language. In Power BI desktop only three languages can work for constructing custom visual and chart. First of all, we have already covered the HTML. After that, the most important language you can talk about is CSS. And after CSS, there is another language that we can use is JavaScript. So these are the three languages that almost cover every front end perspective of our custom chart and visuals, or either you can say the visualization that is actually covered in Power BI desktop without creating any custom, because there are a lot of options available in there, and all those also are made up of all these three languages. But there is certain problem with JavaScript, because JavaScript is a language which has a lot of difficulties when you coding for. I will cover it in my next part, but for now I will tell you that when JavaScript is used, the most language that is actually the most software that in spite of the JavaScript is used for TypeScript. So Power BI developer tool actually use TypeScript rather than JavaScript, but at the end when compiler works, it always compile all the language that you encode in our TypeScript will be transferred into a JavaScript, because in Power BI JavaScript works, not TypeScript. Now let's go forward, and in your mind the question must arise that what is TypeScript? Because this is the most crucial question in JavaScript also. Like when you have a JavaScript, what is the difference? Because it runs in a browser and in Power BI, but there are some features that you might not know actually misses from JavaScript. For an for example, when you see a variable in your component in your language, in JavaScript, you can easily allot a string to it. So often it is used as an advantage, but generally this is also called a disadvantage of a JavaScript, because certainly you doesn't know the error until you run that application. Because in between you cannot intercept what mistake you have done. That's why the new thing that is introduced for JavaScript to be scripted, that is TypeScript, which superset to JavaScript. So TypeScript actually has its own and many additional benefits, because it's add many new features you may use during development, which is type, classes and interfaces. As I have told you in my previous slide, that JavaScript and TypeScript are actually not that much different, but when you encode in a TypeScript, it is much more beneficial for you, because you can do a hardcore programming with a TypeScript. And also all this information when you generate in a TypeScript, you can use a compiler, and that compiler will encode or embed everything for the JavaScript also, that you do not have to go into the JavaScript again and do coding every time. Because in a TypeScript when you embed a compiler, those information will be directed into the JavaScript, and that is how the HTML, CSS and JavaScript works in encoding and information and generating our custom visuals and charts. So these three languages are the main component for constructing in Power for constructing custom charts and visual. So with this point I am going to end this video, and I hope your queries have been cleared, and if not, kindly write us in comment section and we will surely get back to you. And if this video helped you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have an amazing and good day.